This is another tool. It's called Markup Calculator. And to start, simply hit the example button, and it will populate this value with some example values so that you can adjust them and hit the calculate button. You will see these markup values, and you can adjust them to see your values in real time. And here you are being shown. As 200% markup. And while you are at this point, multiple formats are given. You can simply hit the example and calculate this value here. This is a great way to make a business decision. Here are other tools you can use like ROAS calculator, and here is a bulk pricing table. You can take a look. That's all. By the way, I am building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.